All right, guys, welcome back to It's Driven. Today on this episode, we are going to try to move this into there. We're going to move the lift with the Suburban on it into the other shop. I'm kidding. That wouldn't. Yeah, that probably wouldn't work very well. But no, we're gonna pull the Suburban off. I'm gonna throw the casters under the lift, and we're gonna try to get it into the other shop. Let me show you the other shop. So we've got to take this thing from here down a little slope, back it up this way, and then run it in that way. I've never really seen anybody move a four-post lift very far. I've seen them move it, kind of over a few feet. I've never seen one actually move a lift. So we're going to move this thing in here. I want to see how easy it moves. I want to see, if it's easy enough to do often, because I probably will swap back and forth with the lift being in here and not being in here, because I like working. A lot of stuff I don't need a lift. And if I don't have a lift, if I don't need the lift in here, I really don't want it in the way. So I'll probably move it back over there. Let's try to get this Suburban off and get the casters under it. See if this thing, hopefully I don't lose this thing and it runs down the driveway. So let's see if we can get in here and how easy it is to get in here. All right, all the casters are on. I really want to move the jack off the lift because it's really heavy. But I'm not going to move it because it's really heavy. So we're just going to go with it. And maybe we'll learn something. Maybe we'll learn to take it off next time. All right, what I had to do was, it wasn't up very high. It was probably a couple inches maybe. So I took the jack, I slid it all the way forward, put some weight on the front. When I did that, it came up another inch or so. Did the same for the back, and it seemed like it came up. I probably have, no, let me lie, let me measure. I need at least two more of these. Let me go find them. All right, so the height isn't as high as I thought it was going to be. It's 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. Not quite 2. I know it wasn't. It looked 2 inches, but it's about 1.5 inches, 1.75 inches is where is the height. I'm not sure that's going to get us down this slope or not. So, and I've moved it a little bit on my own. It's heavy. It's really heavy, so I'm gonna have to get at least 2, maybe 3 more people. So I'll have to go bargain, see if I can get somebody's nails done, or maybe go get ice cream or Chick-fil-A or something to see if I can get the here to give me a hand. And see if we can get it moved. I don't feel comfortable moving it by myself, so this is definitely not a one-man job. One person, kiddo, woman job. You need 4 things with arms and legs to move this thing. Not even, yeah, okay. Anyway, all right, we'll be back. Alright, now a little speed coming in. And go this way. We're gonna go back. There we go. Alright, now y'all gotta go that way. This way. I think that's where I want it, right there. Go back a little bit. All right, hop hop.
Oh, now.
Huh? Huh? Yeah? What do you think? Not bad. Not bad. Just like that. That wasn't as bad as I thought. When I moved it by myself, I was like, oh, this is going to be bad. This is going to be rough. With somebody on each corner, it wasn't that bad. It's hefty. She's beefy now. She's got some mass to her, and you can feel it when you roll it. But with 4 people, it wasn't that bad. Doing what I had to do, I would definitely recommend 4 people. If you're moving it over on a flat concrete surface in the same building, a couple people can probably get it. But doing what I did, definitely 4 people. I will always have 4 people, especially when we move it back. I may need 5 or 6 people because we got to go up the ramp coming back. I don't think it's going to be that hard, but hey, this is the reason I bought a 4-post lift. A lot of people have asked. This is the reason. Maneuverability. I can put this thing outside, ramp it up outside. I move it to another garage. I can move it over. I mean, if I need to pull a car in here, I can slide it all the way against the wall and probably still get a car in here. I mean, it's maneuverable. That's the reason I wanted a 4-post lift. Well, there she is. And I guess to give an update on the lift, I've had it maybe a month now. I love it. It's awesome. It does everything I want it to do, and it's been great. All right, guys, as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment, do all the good things, and we'll see you next video.